Are you seeing the C Core Lib 140 app DLL runtime error is the last thing you need today? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I've diagnosed the fix for this specific conflict. This DLL file is the Microsoft C++ Core Runtime specifically optimized for Universal Windows Platform (UWP) apps. It contains the base logic needed for modern store applications to interface with the Windows kernel. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. The most dependable fix is reinstalling Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable. Download the x86 and x64 Visual C++ Redistributable installers from Microsoft and run them. If no luck was had with the Redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the C Core Lib 140 app file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. A critical reminder: modifying the C Core Lib 140 app DLL manually is dangerous. Without a verified installation source, you risk overwriting essential files that your hardware depends on for basic functionality and security. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. If the C Core Lib 140 app is impacting system resources, the maintenance suite below provides general guidance on addressing this. If this fix repaired the Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.